In my recent video about Google's March 2025 core update, I got a lot of comments like this. People are now getting their answers from AI. Or here's another. People don't do content/articles. Clown company killed it. Another. If Google is encouraging people to write non-AI content and they simply crawl and recite that content without any meaningful credit to the author, then the authors will be less and less inclined to contribute further originality in the future. Another one. My articles were hit, they stopped ranking. I shouldn't be smiling at that, that's terrible. So lots of people are saying writing top of funnel content basically is a waste. Writing articles explaining how to do things and putting up those articles purely for SEO is a waste. If you've been listening to this show for a while, you know that that's something that I've been saying for pretty much since I started this show 620 days ago. We're on episode 620 days. We're on episode 620 of this show. 620 days in a row doing this thing. And I want to share this relevant thread from the search engine optimization subreddit from 5 days ago. It's called Google Preferring Shorter Content Now. And this person said, have any of you noticed Google shifting their preference from long posts, 2,000 to 3,000 plus words, to shorter content? I've seen some signs of this, but nothing I could really confirm at this point. Could be just some keywords. So I'm going to read some of the interesting comments from this, tell you what the other SEOs are saying, and then I'm going to give you my own experiences and my opinion on this. By the way, this is going to be a really exciting week. I have two very big SEOs coming on the show. Barry Schwartz, the founder of Search Engine Roundtable, who a lot of SEOs just get their news from. I get a lot of my SEO news from Barry Schwartz. He is a legend. And then Hey Tony. You might have seen Hey Tony on Instagram or TikTok. HeyTony.agency is his handle. He's a pretty big SEO name as well, and he'll be coming on the show too. So this is going to be a good week. But let's talk about shorter content length for SEO. So this is the top comment, and I really agree with this comment. Google tries to match intent to answer questions. What question can possibly need 3,000 words? Who even reads that? Now, obviously, there are some questions that require a lot of words, more technical questions, for example, but most questions that people are putting into Google, they don't require 3,000 words. In fact, another person said, I fully agree, but for years it's been that way. Overly long info pages took the top 3 spots in many competitive niches. For many search terms, now, just a few 100 words of actual content would be best. So a few 100 words of actual content is best now. But what are other people saying? Long form content definitely helped with ranking a keyword/page for years, but after the helpful content update, they started giving shorter content higher preference. Funny enough, a bunch of the websites I track who have tons of long form content got whacked by the HCU. However, the good news is now some of them are seeing upticks in rankings that they lost. And I shared that actually recently on the podcast. Some of these sites that are seeing upticks that are reporting recoveries, they actually did things to get those recoveries. They changed the content. They didn't make it look like all the other long form content that's out there. They updated it. They removed a lot of the fluff, pruned it, removed redundancy. All right, here's another more conclusive one. I've definitely noticed this. We have a bunch of product landing pages that ranked well with between 2,000 to 5,000 words, with assorted content to answer technical questions about the products. So you can imagine a product page and you have the product and then you just have thousands and thousands of words answering questions about the niche and how the product works. And it's literally not the specific product, like it's not the specific brand. It's just how the product works in general. And it's very top of funnel, and people who are already getting to this page, a lot of them know it already. Probably a bunch of it is irrelevant. There's a lot of fluff. And so here's the result of these 2,000 to 5,000 word product landing pages. The result is our landing pages have been hit hard by recent Google updates, dropping from page 1 to pages 3 through 4. Whereas our sister company that sells the same stuff in a different part of the country, their landing pages are incredibly brief, sometimes 1 to 2 sentences, and they're in the top 5 spots on Google at the moment. It boggles my mind. So that person had a very concrete experience that shorter content performs better. Somebody else said, with AI pumping out long posts, everyone's doing the same, so Google might be shifting towards shorter, more direct answers. If users prefer quick info, it makes sense, but it probably depends on the topic. Some needs depth and others don't. So I want to share my opinion now. And if you've been listening to the show, you know what I'm going to say. You know that I prefer shorter content and not writing top of funnel content for SEO anymore. Not really doing article-based SEO, but instead doing SEO where you're actually selling stuff, where you are making landing pages that sell products or services. And when you make landing pages that sell products or services, you don't need to write 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 word articles or pages. They can be 400 to 500 words, sometimes less. And in niche after niche after niche, I see these pages perform way better than the several thousand word pages that answer questions. And now those clicks, like the people said in my March 2025 core update video, how those clicks are going to AI, it's true. Or Google is just literally taking what you wrote, the thousands of words that you wrote about how to do something, and Google is just giving that to searchers now using Gemini or using AI answers in the SERPs, or ChatGPT is giving that. And even if they're crediting you, even if ChatGPT is crediting you for the answer, it's the truth is people just needed one sentence or one or two or three sentences of your 3,000 word article, and that's all they're going to read from ChatGPT. I personally think writing several thousand word articles for SEO now, that's a huge waste. And I've said this so many times before. I want to read something from the landing page of my SEO program, Compact Keywords, the thing on my shirt, if you are watching, the thing on my shirt. And I said, modern day, because I think I summarized the problem really well, modern day SEO is dead. It used to be that you invested time and research into what are called skyscraper technique articles, 3,000 words, the ultimate guide to doing so-and-so. And the experts recommended top of funnel. They recommended long form. They recommended exhaustive work. This was how SEO was done, and this has become unraveled. Long form top of funnel is getting wrecked by free AI chatbots like Gemini and ChatGPT. People now get their answers from bots, not from blogs. But it has become worse. AI fired the first shot. Then was Google's March 2024 update. Content sites, those that relied on long form, and that was last year's March 2024 update, but it's still applicable. Content sites, those that relied on long form, have been obliterated. And this is literally like people in the SEO subreddit saying these content sites have been, and they use the word obliterated. Their traffic is going to Reddit, to Quora, to e-com sites and purchase-oriented sites, because that's what works, short content. What's left is what digital marketers are calling demand generation keywords. I call them compact keywords, bottom of funnel keywords, purchase intent keywords. Think about this. Reddit is the third most clicked site in Google now. It has just seen a tremendous rise in priority in organic Google search. What do answers look like on Reddit? They're short. People aren't giving 3,000 word answers on Reddit and Quora. They're short. People want short. It's what people want. It's what searchers want. Google knows that. And if you're doing SEO, my advice is to give the searchers what they want. I actually advise giving your answer, first of all, doing SEO that sells stuff that's focused on converting versus doing article SEO, and then putting the solution in the above the fold content, literally before people start scrolling. That's above the fold. It's what people see before they start scrolling. The way that you do it, very simple. You have your image on the right, you have your H1, you have 2 to 3 sentences of copy under the H1, and then you have a big call to action button. And then the rest of the page is a few sections explaining the product or service that is being sold on that page. The H1 is your keyword. You put your targeted keyword at the beginning of the page title, the beginning of the meta description, in the URL slug, in the H1, and the beginning of the first sentence. And this type of stuff kills it. This is how I do SEO. This is what is in compact keywords. This kills it. It kills it across all niches, all industries. You just see it time and time again when a page is optimized, when you are targeting bottom of funnel keywords and you make a page that is optimized for that bottom of funnel keyword. and it's a 415 word page, they crush. They crush. They rank well, they convert well, they make sales. And I don't know, a lot of SEOs like to fight me on this. I don't know why SEOs want to die on this mountain of creating several thousand word pages. It's so much more work. Wouldn't you rather do less work and get more results? That is literally what Google wants too. Google wants to give searchers their answers fast. So you make pages that give searchers their answers fast. And that's a lot less work. And it performs really, really well. So that's my take on it. And a lot of SEOs are now waking up, it seems. A lot of SEOs are waking up to the fact that Google is preferring shorter content now. Like a lot of people said in the comments to my video, don't do articles. People get their answers from AI. By the way, ChatGPT, as I've shared on the show before, ChatGPT, Grok, whatever, they're recommending my bottom of funnel SEO landing pages too. Because when you make, actually, I'll read a comment that I wrote on my video to somebody. Top of funnel SEO content that's designed to answer questions rather than directly sell is a waste now. Bottom of funnel content sells your products and services, ranks really well with search engines. And when AI trains off your work, it is more likely to recommend your products and services because you make bottom of funnel content for them. And because bottom of funnel ranks so well, it also gets trained off of often. Shorter content, it's less work, it performs better. That's where SEO is headed. But you know what? I'm going to have some big names in SEO on this show, and we'll see what they think too in the next week. This is going to be an exciting week. And that's all for episode 620 of my daily digital marketing show. Again, 620 days in a row. I am exhausted. No, I'm kidding. I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time doing this show. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. I will talk to you on the next one. Bye now.